All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So how, quite a useful adverb. The way something is done. How is it like that? How is it done? How can it be so tall? How can it be so tall? How can it be so heavy? Yeah. That is how you do it. That's the way it's done. That's how it is done. That is how it is done. Do you know how it is done? Do you know how it is done? The way in which it's done. He wants to know how to speak Spanish. How do you speak Spanish? I know how to speak English. You are learning how to speak English. Very good. Yeah. How to speak Spanish. Yeah. That was how we came here. I know how we got here. Yeah, do you know how you got here? Which way did you take to get here? This is how I am learning Spanish. Yes, I know how to learn Spanish. Yes. Yeah, how. We think that is how they will enter. Yeah, so it stands to reason that is how they will enter the building. That is how they'll enter the building. Yes. I know how to learn Spanish fast. Yes, fast. Very important, yeah. Yeah. But I don't know how to write. Right, okay, don't write in German. Yes, I have forgotten basically all German. Yeah. But how? The way something is done. Yeah. Very good. So how? The way something is done. Yeah. Do you know how to make coffee? You could say, can you make coffee? But do you know how to make coffee? The way, the steps taken. Well, depends, doesn't it? Yeah. Maybe, yeah. So, language explorers. Can you use how in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.